Hey, this is Mark, and today I've got an iPhone 6 Plus with a quarter dim backlight. Or maybe that's half dim. Hard to tell. I think maybe it's half dim. So, first thing I'm going to do is a quick visual inspection of the area with the backlight filters. And look at that. This guy right here jumps right out. So he is wrecked, and his pad is gone there. We still have this pad, so that's good. And we've got a trace here that we can connect a jumper to. So looks like that's what I'm going to do. Just going to tin up the pad that's left with some leaded solder. All right. Now I just got to expose some copper on this trace. And get myself a tiny little jumper. Where did that come from? There we go. That should do it. Cut off the extra, clean off the flux, and we'll give it a test. This should be done now, and I'm going to cover this with an epoxy, but I won't do that on camera. But I wouldn't trust this, being that there's a component only held on with one pad. Definitely want to protect that with something, because it is a bit fragile. All right. So I got to let this boot all the way up. While it's doing that, I'm going to check in ZXW quickly and see whether that was an anode line or a cathode. I think probably it looked like that was more half dim, which would mean it was an anode line. If one of the cathode line goes down in a 6+, you get quarter dim because you have two separate backlight circuits, one for each side, and then two cathodes per circuit. So, you know, 4 cathodes total. If one of those goes out, you get quarter dim. So yeah, that is a anode line. So that was half dim. What am I doing? There we go, full brightness. This one is solved. All right, thanks for watching.